It turns out that we can directly travel along the spacetime interval and experience it firsthand. The way to do this is to move from one event to another at a constant velocity. Remember, this isn't a motion from one place in space to another location in space. It is moving between events, so you have to pass through each event at exactly the right place and time. This is traveling in a path through four-dimensional spacetime. If you do this, you can bring a stopwatch with you along your journey to record the passage of your time on the trip. Since you're directly traveling from one event to another in your frame of reference, you're not moving. The events are occurring in the same point in space, which is at your location. This means that the length of the spacetime interval is now exactly equal to your stopwatch time, since the spacetime interval squared is equal to time separation squared minus space separation squared, which is equal to the time separation squared minus 0. That means that the spacetime interval is exactly equal to the time separation, which is your measured time. All other observers at rest or moving at different velocities will agree that your measured stopwatch time matches the space-time interval. We also call this stopwatch time the proper time. In fact, we can completely specify all of space-time by identifying events separated by their space-time intervals. Individual reference frames and observer measurements could be completely eliminated, and all of space-time could be fully mapped out using this approach. What happens if two events occur at the exact same time, but separated by a great distance in your reference frame? You can't travel between the events. There isn't enough time to reach one from the other. Interestingly, there's still an analogous way that we can directly experience this space-time interval separation as well. Instead of using a wristwatch to travel between the events, you have to use a meter stick or a distance measuring tool that you'll lay down in the space between those events. That would give you the space-time interval.